Karan and Alia, hi. Considering the times that we are living in, Rishi Kapoor sir had also mentioned once that he had to ask for Filmfare Award trophy for Bobby. Have you guys ever lobbied for award?
Huh? I walked through a lobby for an award. I've never lobbied for an award. मैंने लाइफ में किसी को कभी फोन नहीं किया कि मुझे अवार्ड मिल रहा है. पता चल जाता है, आ जाते हैं. कोई लॉबी वॉबी करने का क्या फ़ायदा? कहाँ किसी किसके साथ मैं लॉबी करूँ और किसके साथ मैं फिल्में बनाऊँ या लॉबी करूँ? मैं किसी के साथ लॉबी नहीं करता. मैंने बहुत कम अवार्ड्स जीते हैं अपने लाइफ में. वो ज़्यादा ग्लैमर अवार्ड जीते हैं. बेस्ट ड्रेस, बेस्ट स्टाइल, बेस्ट ग्लैमर. ये निर्देशक की हैसियत से 2 मिले हैं मुझे. जब दिए तो हंसता खेलता मैं चला गया था वहाँ. लॉबी वॉबी करना, ये सारी मिथ्स और कॉन्स्पिरेसी थियरीज होती है मैडम. में ऐसा होता नहीं. लोग शायद एक दो फ़ोन कॉल, जिस लेवल पे वो फ़ोन करते होंगे, वो शायद उनको जो अपने फिल्म के बारे में कॉन्फिडेंट होता है या होती है, उनको फ़ोन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. उनको मिल जाता है अवार्ड, कहीं ना कहीं तो मिल जाता है.
Also, Karina recently delivered a baby boy, and the unfortunate part is, the baby's name got into a lot of controversy. Do you think this shouldn't be, as in, this shouldn't have happened? The controversy
Absolutely not
revolving
have
around
happened.
the name
It's
of the
ridiculous.
baby.
It's
really
such a proud moment for a wonderful family. Saif, Karina, the entire family. How can there be trolls about it? Is their prerogative what they name their son. And a name is special to the parents, to the grandparents, to the entire family. I completely support their decision to name their son. And how dare anybody have an opinion about this? It could be, it's a name, it's their name, they feel love. We should have spread the love at that moment and felt so happy for this couple that delivered a blue-eyed, bonny, beautiful baby boy. It's really ridiculous with all this, It's their decision what they name their child, and it should be no one else's prerogative to say anything. But having said that, the internet is a place where everyone's entitled to an opinion. Yeah, so fine, they expressed it. That's what trolling is called.
Hi, Karan, right in front of you. Hi, yeah. You have, as you mentioned, won all of 2 Filmfare Awards, and you've enjoyed some immense critical and commercial success as a filmmaker. To you personally, which of the two matters more, or what do you hold in higher regard as a filmmaker? The critical success and being awarded for the film, or the commercial success as a producer?
I have bills to pay, yaar. I have a company to run. I need to make the money. When I make a film, I'm not here, I'm here to do something different, but along with that, I'm also here to make the money so that I can make more films. The only reason why I wish that money is not to stock it in my bank or to go and, indulge in immense luxury. It's for me to make more films, tell more stories. That's the only reason why I feel the commerce, for me, sometimes outweighs the art. But having said that, the balance is what I achieve. And I want the critical acclaim as well. It breaks my heart when I read bad reviews, and I read all of them. मैं सबके reviews पढ़ता हूँ. I know exactly who said what, and I take that criticism in the right spirit. I don't think there are people out there to get me personally, and if they haven't liked it, they genuinely may not have liked it. I'm obsessed by critics. I read everything. I want the acclaim. I want the money. I'm like everybody, every one of you in this room. I want it all. Sometimes you don't get it all. Sometimes you suffer on one of the 2 accounts. But having said that, the endeavor is to really get everything. But if you're asking me to choose, then of course I want my film to. But then, these days it's not an either-or scenario. If your film is strong, it will make the money and get the reviews. It will, and that's what's been happening right through this year. If you see films like Kapoor and Sons and Neerja and Pink and now Dangal and Ae Dil Hai Mushkil included, I mean, all of them actually won acclaim and therefore made the money. So right now there is not a choice. It's actually following a very seamless line.
Alia, hi. So, a similar question to you. As an actor, which of the two, if you had to choose a performance, for example, like Udta Punjab, which got you all the plaudits, or a film like Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, which enjoyed such immense commercial success, if you had to choose, which one of these would you choose? Or would you, again, like Karan, walk
No.
the line between the two?
Yeah, I think I agree with Karan that I think I've also come at a time where they kind of go hand in hand. Like they say, content is king. So if your film is good, it will do well. For me, it's about the love, and I'm not completely closed to criticism. I don't read too many reviews, but sometimes like people send me things and I read it. I feel like it's important also for you to be able to get the love, but also get the hate. I mean, hate is a strong word, but you have to balance it out. So somebody may love your film, but at the same time, somebody may not like it. So you have to be open to that completely. So I am open to that. I may feel bad maybe from time to time, but it's not like it's like it pulls me away completely. But yeah, I think for me, they both go hand in hand. Love is king. Like when I'm traveling at airports and random people come up to me and just literally just to talk to me about my character and my film. That's what I think means the most to me.
That you have never invited him on his talk show, and he said that I don't know why, but I want to be in his talk show, but you have never invited him. Would you like to respond to his statement?
I have not invited him, no. I think there was a talk about getting him on the show in between, and it didn't seem to probably at that time. I think we had thought about it and ideated. It would be an absolute honor and privilege to have Govinda on the show. I will. I mean, my apologies that he hasn't been and that he's felt upset about it. There was no intention to hurt him. He's a terrific artist, a great movie star, and I would love to call him. And thank you for passing the message on. Now I will take note and invite him, and I hope he accepts my invitation.
We have time for
Sorry,
just
one
two more
second.
questions.
Just on the topic of chat shows, I think you'll all be very happy to know that
I have to tell you one more thing about Alia. She's truly detached from all of this, but she definitely tracks the reviews in as much as she'll quickly go and see what's written about her. So okay.
I think I have a little part to play because I think from the very beginning I've always trained them to read. I've given her names of reviewers that she may not have even heard of, and now she goes online and checks. Because I'm like, you have to read the written word. You have to believe what people say, because opinions define us. And I think if we don't take opinions, then we are actually going to be deluded and live in an island where no one wants to visit us. You must know that if something's good about you, there's also things that are not. And you have to be able to improve what's not. If you really don't believe it, that's called delusion. If you believe, accept, and honor and acknowledge it, that's called being progressive as an artist.
Karan, here, I have a question. Karan, we all love your show, Coffee with Karan. It's getting amazing response since the beginning. But recently, Govinda in an interview expressed that you have never invited him on his talk show, and he said that I don't know why, but I want to be in his talk show, but you have never invited him. Would you like to respond to his statement?
I have not invited him, no. I think there was a talk about getting him on the show in between, and it didn't seem to probably at that time. I think we had thought about it and ideated. It would be an absolute honor and privilege to have Govinda on the show. I will. I mean, my apologies that he hasn't been and that he's felt upset about it. There was no intention to hurt him. He's a terrific artist, a great movie star, and I would love to call him. And thank you for passing the message on. Now I will take note and invite him, and I hope he accepts my invitation.
We have time for
Sorry,
just
one
two more
second.
questions.
Just on the topic of chat shows, I think you'll all be very happy to know that
तो मैंने कब कहा कि कॉफ़ी विद करण कोई सीरियस शो है, तो जो उन्होंने कहा वो सीरियसली बिल्कुल नहीं लेनी चाहिए. हंसी मजाक की बातें होती रहती हैं उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, उस शो पे. सीरियसली लेना क्या, लोग बहुत समटाइम्स कुछ लोग ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव या टची हो जाते हैं. एंड आई थिंक हम जो बातें करते हैं वो फ़न की बात, मेरे ऊपर भी बहुत सारा मजाक उड़ाया गया है. एंड जस्ट द वे आई डोंट टेक इट सीरियसली, नो शुड समबडी एल्स. मैं कोई अपनी तारीफ थोड़ी करता हूँ. अब इनफैक्ट मैक्सिमम गेस्ट आते हैं मेरी बुराई करते हैं खुद अपने शो पे, और मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब कोई मेरी बुराई करता है, क्योंकि इट्स मेंट टू बी डन इन विद अ गुड सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर एंड इन कंप्लीट गुड स्पिरिट. तो सीरियसली तो बिल्कुल नहीं. कहाँ कॉफ़ी विद करण सीरियस शो हुआ तो हो गई हमारी. अगर सीरियस तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. इट्स अ हैप्पी टॉक शो. लोग आते हैं, बात करते हैं, चले जाते हैं, और अगले हफ्ते की कंट्रोवर्सी का इंतजार करते हैं. नहीं, मुझे तो आपने मिसाइल बना दिया है. किस किस को मैं लॉन्च कर रहा हूँ. अरे भाई, खुद अपना काम मैं कर रहा हूँ, खुद मैं बस टिका रहा हूँ, वो बहुत बड़ी बात है. दूसरे करियर्स के बारे में मैं सोचता रहा तो पागल हो जाऊँगा. ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारे एक्टर्स को हम पेश करना चाहेंगे बड़े पर्दे पे. तो लॉन्च तो खैर बात की बात है. लॉन्च करते करते मैं ही टेक ऑफ ना हो जाऊँ.
Thank you so much, members of the media, for joining us. Wishing you in advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Obviously, we're looking forward to the 62nd Geo Filmfare Awards 2017. Thank you for joining us here today.
So आपको पता होगा कि